Hey everyone, welcome back. Apple just rolled out the fourth developer beta of macOS Tahoe 26, arriving 2 weeks after the rollout of Beta 3. Registered developers can access the new build through the System Settings app on their supported Mac. macOS Tahoe 26 brings a range of new features and refinements, most notably Apple's liquid glass design language, which is now consistent across all major platforms. What's more, this beta also continues testing of the phone and the journal apps, both of which are now available on Mac for the first time, along with an all-new cross-platform Games app as well. A major focus of the update is a revamped Spotlight experience. Apple has significantly enhanced Spotlight's functionality, allowing users to perform actions like sending emails directly from search interface, eliminating the need to open separate apps. Additionally, macOS Tahoe introduces updates to core apps including Messages, Safari, and Notes, improving performance and usability across the board. macOS Tahoe is expected to launch to the public this fall.